What's up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back with another episode of HINANCE, breaking down the complexity of the financial world for everyday people like me and you. So, welcome back. How you feeling? How's everybody doing out there? Big shout out to the people that have been here since day one, the people that just got here. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we're talking about investment strategy, and we'll be talking about it as well with some opinions from my good guy, Rasta Stocks. So pay attention and understand the importance of having an investment strategy. And if you have any questions on how to implement or how to get an investment strategy or what it is a little bit deeper, feel free to comment below. Y'all know I'm always willing to chat with y'all and share whatever information I can. But before we get started, don't forget, if you're interested in joining the stocks group chat, shoot me a DM above and I will get you all the details above. It's called the Future Millionaire, so you can only imagine what we sharing in that chat. Now, the importance of having an investment strategy. You have an investment strategy because it helps you not lose money. If you develop a good strategy, you manage your risk a little bit better. And that's really what it's doing. Having a strategy, manage your risk. For example, if you wanted to get to the special island, you can see the island from where you're standing, but where you're standing is sand. You can see the island, but in between the island and the sand that you're standing is water. But you see people are having a lot of fun on the island, and you want to have fun too. But there's one thing: you don't know how to swim. Ask yourself, would you just go and try to go through that water if you didn't know how to swim without thinking? Some people may. But you know what's going to happen to the people that try to swim across that water without thinking? They're going to drown, sadly. They're not going to make it to the fun. Now, if you get a person that looks around, they see material, they see wood, hey, maybe they even see a boat over there. No one's watching. They see a little boat, they see a paddle, they see a piece of wood with a paddle, they see a surfboard. They start thinking, hold up, I don't know how to swim, but I know if I get on one of these things here, I get across to the party. They're thinking strategy. They're not just going with that. Like, that's pretty much, that's a simplified version. You're not, why would you buy into something without understanding why or how or understanding what the worst that can happen if you just do it? Like, you need to understand everything, and you need to kind of fact check yourself, do your due diligence, do your research, understand why you're investing in a company, understand what you expect to happen, and understand what you see when you're looking at the charts. There's just so many different, there's technical, there's fundamental, there's all these different strategies or things you can look at to help guide you. It's all there. The information is on the internet. You have the Google box in your hand. Find the answers. Um, with that being said, I'm gonna let Rasta share his thoughts on investment strategy, and then I'll wrap it all up with my final thoughts.
Having me, Shaddai. What's up, guys? My name is Rasta. Subscribe to Rasta Stocks YouTube channel. Okay, on that note, let's talk about investment strategy. It's a very important topic that you brought up, Shaddai, and I'm quite wondering why I didn't think of a topic like that. But hey, regardless of that, it's a very good topic. So, an investment strategy is a rules you follow by. You feel me? It's a guideline on how you invest, and how much profits you want to make based on how you invest. Perfect example. What's going on with the market, like with AMC and GameStop, Naked, and now Nokia, right? You have like a certain group of people just coming together buying this stock, to pump it up, squeeze it and take profits. They're basically pumping and dumping. You know, some people like to do that investment strategy because it's quick and fast money. Because you know, there's something they pay attention to, which is very risky as well. You know, but other people like myself, I'm a long-term investor because I feel like long-term investing is the best investing to do and save you a lot on capital gains taxes. Trust me, it does a lot on capital gains taxes. And I think long term investing, you see your money grow slow, yes, but there's nothing wrong with slow growth. So that's my strategy, you know, long term investing in any stock that I'm investing in. I watch it, study the charts, and when it drops back or when it corrects, bam, bam, bam. That's when I get in. I buy, drop some more money in it because when you buy when it's cheap, you make more money on on it. Okay, people. So you buy the dip and you sell the news. Okay, very important. If you want to go out there and do risky stocks, be very careful because you can make money. Yes, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose money too, people. So you got to know what type of investment strategy you want to do, and also, most importantly, what type of investor you yourself is. Because at the end of the day, if you're in it for the short term, for the squeeze, those are day traders and short term investors. I'm a long term investor because I know while I'm still young, I am working, right? And I'm investing my money consistently works for me consistently. What if it's stocks, Bitcoin, you know, Dogecoin, you know, Ethereum, Litecoin, you know, just to name a few things. So people, you must know what the type of investment strategy you want to follow because at the end of the day, people, it's your money you putting out there to invest, and you need to pick the right way so you could either 10x your money the fast way, or you could 10x your money the slow way. Either way, it's up to you. And if those of you who's afraid to get your feet wet, look into ETFs, especially the ARC Innovations ETF, because you have those are very, very good ETFs. All of them are very good. But on that note, Shaddai, I'll let you go back and spit fire to the masses. Peace. Live long and prosper. Live long and prosper. And don't forget, subscribe to Rasta Stocks YouTube channel. Peace.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Rasta. Make sure y'all go follow his YouTube channel. That boy is he got a lot of information. He does his research, man. I appreciate him always for coming on the channel. And he is part of the Stocks group chat. So if y'all want to know more about the Stocks group chat, shoot me a DM above and I will get you the details. All in all, listen, I understand a lot more people are investing in the stock market now more than there was 6 months ago, 3 months ago, maybe even a year ago. What I want everybody to understand is that you don't want to gamble, you want to invest. And you have to understand what you're investing in. That's the first thing I always tell people. Understand what you're doing. You wouldn't do other things in life carelessly if you knew you were gonna die. Like you would think things through, and this is the same thing. You gotta think this through. I don't want my YouTube family losing any money. You know, my personal investment strategy is long term, but that doesn't mean that I don't dabble in swings. That doesn't mean that I ain't trying to make money on a day-to-day basis. That's just so I'm always looking long term. That's the worst case scenario. Long term, always. That's my strategy. And there's just so much more to it. You know, I look at the fundamentals. I look at what a company's doing. I look at if the company's profitable. And everything has to align. It's like a point. Like you can create like a point system. Like, okay, they're profitable. We'll give them a point. You know, they got something new coming out that people are hyping. That's another point. Their CEO just sold this. One of their executives just sold 10 million shares. Ooh, that's deducting the point. Like you gotta line everything up, put it together, and then say, okay, after doing my review, after looking at my investment strategy, is this a best company, the best company for me to be investing my money to, so that I can see a profit, so I can see a return. A return is very important. I just don't want to keep seeing people investing in stuff like Dogecoin when it has no backbone, it has no structure, because people are losing money. So, and I'm not saying you can't make money on these. Like, everything's a gamble. So just risk management, y'all, because it's all a gamble anyways. I just don't want to see people that work very hard lose money because they just don't want to find the information. We got to be a little bit smarter, y'all. So I appreciate everybody for watching. Let me know if you have anything to say in the comments about investment strategy. Anything you can share to other people, new investors, people that are still trying to understand this whole industry so that they can make money. Like, if they make money, you make money. If I make money and I share what I know, you make money. We all can make money in this. It's us against the hedge funds always. Don't ever forget that. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, like, subscribe, do all the above. Shoot me a comment below. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow.